Customize apps that can always use mobile data on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Connections. After click on Connections, scroll down and click on Data Usage. After click on Data Usage, scroll down and click on Mobile Data. Click on Data Saver. After click on Data Saver, make sure turn on this button. After turn on Now button and click on Apps that can always use data. And you will customize apps from here. You will see app list is here. So you will turn on and you will see. After customize app list, go back to home screen. So that's how you can customize apps that can always use mobile data on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.